How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to the episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Dual Memory K-Force mini light bars. So for example here, I brought our KForce Micro 14 TIR in an amber color setup. Now I did bring an all amber color setup here, but we do offer these units, or our TIR units, in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations in amber, red, blue, green, and clear. And then here I brought our multicolor K-Force 18 linear in a blue amber color setup. Now you'll notice your unit is flashing back and forth between blue and amber because that's a multicolor setup. Now on both of these light bars you will have dual memory, and I am using my optional Dual Memory Cig Plug here. Now I'm in power mode 1. Now if I switch over to power mode 2, you'll see I have another flash pattern programmed here on my TIR unit, and that's just two separate flash patterns. And then here on my multicolor K-Force 18, I actually programmed an all blue flash pattern, so I can easily swap between my primary, my secondary, or my multicolor flashing modes using my Dual Memory Cig Plug here. So say I wanted to flash in multicolor in one power mode in blue and amber, and then in the other power mode I wanted to flash in a single color only. I can easily do that by cycling to those patterns in the pattern sequence. So I went ahead and cycled to my all blue flash patterns here. Now on our multicolor bars you do have 4 patterns in your primary color, 4 in your secondary, and then you have your rest of your patterns in multicolor. So this is pattern 1 in blue, and then I can easily switch that if I go to pattern 2 by using my flash pattern changer here, pattern 3, pattern 4, and then say I wanted to run an all amber flash pattern instead of my blue amber multicolor. I can simply cycle to my all amber flash patterns past my primary color flash patterns there. So say I wanted this flash pattern in all amber there. So then I could easily save that by simply switching over to my other power mode, and you'll see that you have 2 flash pattern memories. So each power mode will save a flash pattern memory there. So again, I can easily switch from my multicolor flashing power mode there to my other power mode if I want to run all amber, or say I wanted to run blue in one power mode and amber in another power mode. That would be perfect for our multicolor K-Force 18 linear. Now we do offer both of these mini light bars in our TIR in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations, or we offer these units in our multicolor linear in amber, red, blue, green, and clear color combinations on both our K-Force 18 and our KForce Micro 14 here. And if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle, we do have our Customize a Light Bar tool where you can get a custom color setup if you need that as well. So make sure to check out our interactive players to get a full product demo to see exactly how these units will function and all of the flash patterns included. And then you can also check out our product demo videos and our flash pattern videos to see all of the flash patterns that will be included. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and talk to you soon. Thanks.